Good morning students, welcome back in our science online class. Today we are going to discuss about Earth's movement. Okay students? So the two motions of the Earth, namely revolution and rotation. So you underline these both the motions, and these both the motions play very important role. Okay, so how these both the motions of an earth play important role, so today we are going to discuss that. So first we will talk about the rotation. See students, what is mean by rotation? Rotation means the movement of an earth on its own axis is called rotation. One more time, I will repeat. The movement of an earth on its own axis is called rotation. Now, axis means what, students? So, axis means an imaginary line. Earth, so you can see here, Earth's axis is an imaginary line which is not completely straight line. Okay, it is tilted. It makes the angle of 23.5 degree. Okay, so you can see here which is runs along north to south pole. So this axis, this line, this imaginary line is called an axis, students. And Earth moves on its own axis. Means this is the own axis, and on its own axis the Earth moves around itself. For example, now how I am moving, so same way Earth. So same you can consider Earth moves around itself on its own axis. Do you know the top, Bhora? How the top has one pointed end, like a nail, or sometimes it has a nail also, and that top moves on its nail. So nail its own axis. So same way you can consider. So this is the imaginary line, is the own axis of an earth. So on its own axis, Earth move around itself is called rotation. And at the same time, Earth revolves around the sun. That is called the revolution. Means Earth shows both the movements like rotation and revolution. It moves around itself on its own axis, as well as it moves around the sun also. That is called the revolution. So rotation causes day and night. See students, this is the important role of rotation. So due to the rotation of an earth causes day and night. You can underline, it causes day and night. Okay, what causes? Rotation of an earth causes day and night. Okay students, so this is the role of rotation of an earth. Okay, now next one is the revolution of an earth. Now students, see, revolution means what? Just now I have told you, revolution means the movement of an earth around the sun. Now not itself here around the sun. For example, you can see here, this is the sun, student. Okay, this is the sun, and this is one orbit. Orbit means what, students? Orbit means nothing. Orbit means path, way, okay, or road, we can say. So this is one path. Okay, in this fixed path, Earth moves around the sun. So the movement of an Earth around the sun in a fixed orbit is called revolution. And this revolution takes 365 days to complete one revolution, or to complete one rotation around the sun. And the next significance of revolution, it causes change in season. You know the different types of seasons are there. summer, winter, rainy season, then autumn season. So this change in season causes due to the revolution of earth around the sun. Okay, clear students? So this is about the rotation and revolution. Now one more thing is there. The earth really rotates 365, 1.5 times during each revolution. So in one rotation it covers this much distance. So the calendar always has 365 days. After every 4 years, the earth has made one extra rotation. After every 4th year. Okay, and that is why we can see after the 4 year, that is called the leap year. Leap year means what? In leap year, the February month has 29 days. Okay, so that one day extra comes in leap year. Okay, so that is the altogether 366 days. Okay, in a leap year. Okay, students. So I hope you understood both the concepts like rotation and revolution of an earth. Okay, so just one thing you keep in mind, students. Rotation of an earth causes day and night. Okay, and the revolution of an earth causes the change in season. Second thing, the definition of rotation. The movement of an earth on its own axis is called rotation, and revolution means the movement of an earth around the sun is called revolution. Okay, students? So rotation takes 24 days, 24 hours to complete one rotation, and revolution takes 365 days to complete one round around the sun. Okay? So this is about the rotation and revolution, students. I hope you understood today's part. Remaining part will continue in our next video.